Hello, my art viewers. Welcome back to my channel. You are seeing the art of inside impressions, and this is artist Bhavna. Today's topic is pencil peel or shaving, or you can also call dust. So this is most interesting and easy drawing you can do, like everyone can do. So if you are a beginner, do try this. This is so simple and you can get the realistic look following few tips which I show in this tutorial. Okay, so firstly I just spread it across the first layer using HB, and I just gave this close cross hatching lines, or else you can directly um, do this thing, like you can rub your HB pencil to the sandpaper and you can extract the dust from it, and you can apply as the first layer using brush or tissue paper. Okay, so that will be the first layer, and second layer you are seeing here I'm using H pencil. So H pencil, because it is hard and you should see these lines in the end, so that's why I'm using H, so that it will be available till the end, so lines cannot be blended easily. So yes, I'm using H. And if you don't have H, try to have it, but if you don't have, use HB and hold the pencil so lightly. But HB will blend easily, but don't apply pressure when you are blending. So that is the only tip, where if you don't have H grade. So always prefer to have all grades of pencil in order to show perfect difference. Okay, so difference in shading, lining and all. So that is really important when you are drawing a realistic artwork. So it all depends on your balancing, and it all depends on your perfect tones which you want to get from the reference image. So this tutorial and every tutorial will be real-time video on my channel. So if you are seeing for the first time, please do hit a subscribe button and do tap the bell icon, so that you can't miss any update. So, and thank you so much for the 1K family. So we are 1K plus family now. I'm really happy for this first success on my channel. So it's all because of you, so please do support in this way only. I'm really glad to share this good news with you. And yes, coming back to our process, here we are using tombow monozer eraser, and we are erasing little parts where you need to show this white highlighted look. So I'll add reference image here, so that you will also get initial idea what I'm doing. So here comes the reference image. You can see how beautiful it is, right? And it is really interesting to draw such kind of things. So when you don't want to draw, or when you are having less interest or patience, try doing this kind of drawing, so that it will improve your interest, and you will also get motivation after seeing this amazing results. So believe in me, try this type of drawing. So if you really like this type of drawing, I'll add more tutorials on this type. Okay, so here what I'm doing is, you can't see, right? Sorry, I couldn't record it properly because I need to hold my pencil straight. Okay, because I need to provide this thin what you'll call the black area, so that's why I need to hold my pencil straight enough, so it is almost covering my camera. Yeah, I used here a Camlin neutral grade pencil, so I prefer to use neutral grade. If you don't have neutral, use soft grade. So neutral, soft, this all means if you are using the soft grade, you'll get the more darkest look. So neutral will be like neutral only. So I want to use neutral here because I don't want to get the darkest look. But here I'll give few lines using soft grade also. Just draw the outline perfectly, and do concentrate more on outline for this kind of drawing, because outline matters a lot. So when you neglect the outline, it will be completely different from the reference image, and you can really balance the tones and all, it is secondary. But when you don't get the perfect outline, the shapes will be really out and it will look really odd. So whatever you are doing, first you need to get the perfect outline. So when you draw outline, it will look good only, but when you watch it thoroughly and when you keep aside and come back again and start working on it, you may see many differences. So always take some breaks and enjoy yourself and come back to it, and then you'll find many differences. So trust this process and see what the results will be. So I always do in that way only. First I just grab an artwork, I'll do outline, I'll enjoy my space, and again I'll come back and I'll see what is going on and what is wrong in that. I'll correct it. So other technique also I'll explain later in this video only. First I'll explain this process here, what I'm doing. So I'm using here this neutral grade only. So neutral grade will not spread evenly, so it will be neutral and we can't blend it properly. So that's why I'm using here on the peel. Okay, so on the dust, here and there I'm giving this spots. If you use soft grade, that will become really messy here. So try using neutral only inside the peel or shaving. Okay, so try using neutral so that you can control your pencil easily, and later on that will become light when you blend it, and it will not spread across, so your job will be easy. So try avoiding using the soft grade. So if you don't know about the charcoal pencils that is available in Camlin brand, there are three. So one will come for soft and one will come for neutral and one is hard. So hard you can't use much, but neutral and soft you can use perfectly. If you are a beginner artist and if you can't afford this Tombow Mono Zero eraser, go for pencil eraser. So pencil eraser is also a good option if you don't have Tombow Mono Zero eraser. Try using all kinds of pencil eraser before directly experimenting Tombow Mono Zero eraser. So once you provide lines using neutral grade charcoal pencil, here is the task of adding this small tiny details in our reference image. You can see how it is looking. So there are plenty of white highlighted looks, so that look we need to provide, and the dark spots wherever you can see, there you need to provide. So completeness will come from those only. So providing dark spots, providing this highlighting look, so everything will come from there only. If you wish to draw this artwork, I'll provide a link below of my reference image so that you can easily access it. Okay, yes, here I'm using H or 2B. Here anything is fine when it is dark spots, and when I can't use charcoal pencil, I'm using 2B. Okay, HB 2BH I used in this artwork, and charcoal pencil of neutral and soft. Here and there I'm giving the spots you can see on my reference image. You can't zoom in, but here there are many spots which are not visible to you, but they are visible to me. Everything I'm adding slowly, so building the layers are really important when you come back to your artwork. Here is a tip again, so I said I'll say later on. So when you draw the outline and when you feel the outline is not perfect, do take a snap and then take your reference image, combine both reference image and the pic, that means snap of your outline, do collage of it, and then sit silently and do watch it. So you will automatically find the differences. So take the edit option and do the corrections. In the sense, you need to just round up the things where you need to do changes. So once again you come back to your artwork, original artwork, not digitally, original. Make sure you're having much patience, and if you don't have patience, again you will make mistakes. So better before sleeping do this type of things and then sleep. Next day morning or evening, try doing these corrections. That will be the best thing, and you'll find as many mistakes as possible. When your outline is correct also, you will find the real mistakes. What you want to change, you can directly change, and you can directly start doing this shading and all. So this is the best tip I'll follow, and I improved my outline too. So that's why I'm sharing this tip. I hope that will help you a lot. And coming to our second peel, so here I'll not add real time video because I already showed how to draw that small peel. So this peel will be same as that, but it may be different shading and different texture or darkness or dark tones, but it is completely the same process, but giving the more extra dark highlights and all that doesn't matter, and the same technique. So you can see the black dark spots I added using charcoal neutral pencil, and again lines using neutral pencil, and this is a repetitive process, so that's why I added just few clips of it but not a real time video. I hope you'll understand why I'm doing so. So that this is all because you need to learn, but you need to not waste your time. So that is the main essence of this video. And just wait, I'll just add the reference image so that you will also understand what I'm doing for the second peel. So I'll just add simple track for the 4 minutes video so that you can completely enjoy the process and do watch it completely and see how this art turns into. So thank you so much for watching in advance, and if you are new to my channel, please to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to tap the bell icon, and stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy, and happy learning. So please stay tuned and do watch the next videos. So many videos are lined up. I'll release all the videos and you can learn many things from those videos too. So all different kind of tips, tricks, and everything I'll show. So stay connected, stay safe.